Would you like to change your life for the better? Well, tune into this video because today I am sharing 3 simple acts that you can use to start transforming your life for the better. Now, my name is Cece Cheney, and these tips are not originally for me. In fact, one of my mentors actually shared these in a private group for other entrepreneurs. And he was talking about some really simple activities that we can be doing in our lives to improve them, right? To start feeling better. And if you've ever been down, you've ever struggled a little bit, these are some things that can really improve your energy, right? Can really improve your life. Should you be brave enough to do them, right? So, what are we talking about here, right? Well, the first one, and I love this one, is talk good about someone behind their back, right? So, do you know anybody who has ever, talked bad about people behind their back, right? Do you know some gossips? Maybe you've been one in the past, right? Well, what if you flip this thing on its head and you started talking to people about how awesome someone else is behind their back? I just love this idea because there are so many incredible humans in this world who don't get enough of this. They don't have enough people cheering them on in the background and letting people know how awesome they are. And this is one of the reasons why I love networking with people. Like, I love sharing what other people are doing to impact people's lives because it's an opportunity for more people to learn about what they're doing, right? So that's the first one. You want to make sure that you're talking good about people behind their backs. Number 2, and this one is really important. This is something that I have been implementing in my life, and this is practicing gratitude. So finding 3 things that you are grateful for each and every single day. In fact, if you can wake up in the morning and start with this practice, you'll find yourself in a much better energy than if you don't, right? Because I think one of the things that I know I've been guilty of in the past is I've sort of woken up and I've let the things going on in the world dictate how my energy was going to be in that day, right? Which is not good, right? So the first thing you do is grab your phone or catch the news or, hit that alarm and you're not feeling great. Well, try this act instead, right? Start with gratitude. Now you might be thinking, my life sucks right now. I have nothing to be grateful for. Well, then I've got something to tell you. You absolutely do, right? If you've got access to technology to watch this video, hello, that's incredible. Be grateful for that. You are alive, right? You can breathe. There's all these things that you can be grateful for. And you might even find yourself going way beyond 3. I know there are some days when I start going and I've got 15, 20. I've done an exercise where I just did 100, right? But there's so many things that we have to be grateful for, and getting in that practice can really transform your life and make a difference. Number 3, and I love this one, and I don't think there's nearly enough of this happening in the world, and that's complimenting someone, right? So we talked about talking good about someone behind their back. What about to their face? What if you reached out to humans and let them know, that you see them and you see how they're showing up and you are proud of them, right? So actually complimenting someone, and if you're thinking, okay, I don't have access to humans to compliment, well, that's not true at all, right? If you're on social media and you see somebody with a cute top on, you could send them a message, hey, that looks really good on you. Someone's got a new haircut, someone's providing some value and you value that. You can let them know that you appreciate them. And so this is something that I actually try to implement in my day as well. Where are there opportunities for me to compliment someone and let them know and brighten their day a little bit, right? So this will actually not only brighten their day, it'll actually brighten your day too. One of the things that I find when I do little activities, like when I'm pretty intentional about reaching out to people that have been significant in my life in some way, and just letting them know that I love them. And the messages that you get back can really be empowering and brighten your day as well. So doing these things, they benefit the world, but they also benefit you. So again, that's talking good about someone behind their back, finding 3 things to be grateful for, and complimenting at least one person. Now, I'm going to challenge you today to get into the practice of doing at least one of these. So drop something that you are grateful for today. Right now in the comments, let me know what's one thing that you are grateful for. I certainly am grateful for you and all of the love and support that I get. So thank you so much for taking your time. I know how busy life is. We've all got things going on, and I appreciate you taking the time to spend a little time with me. Now, If this is the sort of thing that you like and you're thinking, I really want to get into the energy of doing more positive things and more acts like these, shoot me a message. I actually have the full list of 9 that my mentor shared, and I'd be more than happy to send that your way so you can sort of pick and choose the activities that make you feel best. Otherwise, I look forward to chatting with you soon. Ciao.